What if your EDC torch didn't look like a torch at all, but more like a tiny Zippo-sized gadget you could clip to your pocket, backpack, or even your cap? This is the Wuben G5, a flat rechargeable EDC light with a movable beam and RGB modes. Does it earn a place in the pocket? Let's get into it. Hey everyone, I'm Jim Bob and welcome to Jim Bob's EDC, where I share everyday carry setups, gear reviews, pocket dumps and more. If you are into EDC knives, multi-tools, watches, flashlights, kits and pouches, or just like seeing what people actually carry, you are in the right place. Because what you carry, carries you. Before we start, full disclosure, Wuben have been big supporters of the channel and sent this G5 obligation free. No payment, no approval and no script, so as always this is my honest take. The first thing you notice is the form factor. This isn't a traditional cylindrical torch, it's flat, almost Zippo lighter flat. It measures just 62mm tall and weighs around 52 grams, which makes it incredibly easy to pocket, comfortable on a cap brim and great for clipping inside a bag or admin pouch. It's IP65 rated and drop resistant to 1 meter, so it's built for everyday knocks. The build quality, as I've come to expect from Wuben, feels solid for the price point. Lightweight but not flimsy. And the 180-degree rotating head adds versatility you simply don't get with a fixed beam. This feels less like a tactical torch and more like a practical tool, which for me is a good thing. So what does the G5 actually do? You get a forward beam of up to 400 lumens with a stated throw of around 82 meters. Perfect for everyday tasks like finding dropped items, walking to the car in the dark or power cuts. But the real usefulness comes from the rotating head and control dial. Instead of fixed brightness steps, you can dial in the output you want, which makes it feel far more adaptable in real use. The rotating head also opens up alternative clip positions, so you can angle the beam exactly where you need it. And yes, there are RGB modes. They won't appeal to everyone, but they include multiple colours and beacon modes. Are RGB modes essential? Well, no. But are they fun? Well, yes. And could they double as safety or signalling lights? Well, also yes. This isn't a hero torch. It's not for search and rescue. It's not for lighting up a field. It's for real life. For example, a power cut in the cellar at our pub, the Big Six Inn, or fixing something under the sink. Because it's flat and lightweight, you actually carry it. And the best EDC gear is the gear that you have with you. What do I like? Well, the flat design is genuinely pocket friendly. The magnetic base is incredibly useful in real scenarios. And the rotating head adds genuine versatility. It's lightweight, it disappears into a pocket or a pouch, and it's affordable. It's an accessible entry into EDC lighting. This feels designed for real people and not just gear enthusiasts. One or two things to consider: it's not a long throw beam. This is close range lighting, and the RGB modes may feel gimmicky to some. The small size means a smaller battery, so not for extended runtime, and as with many multifunction lights, the interface takes a little learning. None of these are deal breakers, they simply define what this light is. The Wuben G5 isn't trying to be the brightest torch in your collection, it's trying to be the one you actually carry. And in that role, a practical, flat, magnetic, pocketable light, it does a really good job. For me, this lives in a pouch, a jacket pocket or a car kit, ready for the small everyday problems torches are supposed to solve. And honestly, that's what EDC is all about. If you enjoyed this video, let me know down in the comments. Do you carry a torch every day or only when you think you'll need one? There's a link to the G5 down below and on my kit.co page. A like would be great and a subscribe would be amazing. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one, and remember, what you carry carries you.